What is up, mathletes? Welcome back to the episode of Math with Dr. Math. And before my next client, I was like, let me make this video to see if anyone needs help on this topic, because this is what we're about to jump into. Those 30, 60, 90 triangles and 45, 45, 90 triangles. All right, so if you need help, I got you. All right, so what we're gonna be looking at is they're gonna be given a triangle, right, just like this, and they first are going to identify, is it a 45, 45, 90 triangle, or is it a 30, 60, 90 triangle? All right, so notice this first triangle here, it has one angle is 45 degrees and the other angle is 90. So once you have those two, then you automatically know that this side right here, this angle, is also 45 degrees. So what you do is, all right, I'm gonna use the 45, 45, 90 triangle properties. So we look and we say, look at these two angles are 45. So what that means is that their opposite sides are gonna be equal. So since this side is 13, what that tells us is that this side right here is also 13, which is great, right? Not so bad. But on top of that, the hypotenuse, remember, whenever you have a right angle, right across from it is the hypotenuse. It tells us you're going to put 13, and then you're going to attach a square root of 2 next to it. So this becomes 13 square root of 2, and it's that easy. All right, so let's do another one so we can kind of get the hang of this. Number 2, we have a 45, 45, 90 triangle again. So let me just go ahead and write that 45 degrees right there. But this time it's a little different because they're giving us the hypotenuse, all right? So what I would do, and the way I suggest them doing it, is notice they're giving us the hypotenuse, and what we need to do is we need to solve for x, right? But notice the hypotenuse is equal to x square root of 2. This side is the same as this side, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna set them equal to each other. So you set 30 equal to x square root of 2. And now we just solve for x. So we're gonna divide by the square root of 2. We're gonna divide by the square root of 2. And now you get x equals 30 divided by the square root of 2. Well, remember, you can never have a radical, a square root, in the denominator. So we're gonna rationalize the denominator. What does that mean? We're gonna get rid of that square root from the denominator. How do you do that? Well, whatever square root is in the denominator, you're just gonna multiply the numerator and the denominator by that. So don't forget, you do both top and bottom. And so when we simplify, you get 30 square root of 2 divided by, when those square roots are the same, it just comes out as a 2. And then we simplify. And just remember, square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is the square root of 4, which we know is 2. So the shortcut is just to pull that number out. All right, so write that down just in case you think you'll forget. And we simplify, 30 divided by 2 is 15, so you're left with 15 square root of 2. So there's our value of x. So now you know that both of these sides are both 15 square root of 2, 15 square root of 2. All right, last but not least, right, number 3, now they give you two of the angles. They tell you one angle is 90 degrees, one angle is 60 degrees. So what that means is this last angle is 30 degrees. Remember, they all have to add up to 180. You have a triangle, so this is 30 degrees. So this is 30 degrees. So now I could go to my 30, 60, 90 triangle, and I could use the property that they give us the side opposite of 30 degrees, which is 3. So in this case, opposite of 30 is x. So what they're giving you is they're giving you this x value, which is the shortest side. I don't want to call it x because there's an x right here. So let me actually just get rid of that right there, just so it doesn't confuse you. So they're giving us the value of x. And so according to this property, right, whenever you know the side opposite 30 degrees, that's your shortest side. And your hypotenuse, right, your longest side is going to be twice as long as whatever this is. So our longest side right here, which is your hypotenuse, is going to be twice whatever that is. So this is going to be 6. So this is going to be, let me get a pen that works. This is going to be 6. And what's awesome, in addition to this, is across from 60 degrees, all you do is you put your x value and attach the square root of 3 to it. Our x value is 3, so we attach 3 square root of 3 next to it. And you're done. Now we have all 3 sides. All right, just want to make a short video. I know some of you are going to be dealing with these a lot throughout your math career, and I want to make sure you understand what's going on. All right, mathletes, if you haven't done so, subscribe, like, and we'll see you mathletes in the next video. Peace. All right, mathletes, thanks for watching. And again, if you like this video, we have some other videos that we think you might enjoy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.